Welcome back, my fellow YouTubers. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating world of affiliate marketing and the various models that exist within it. From pay-per-click to pay-per-lead and everything in between, we will dive deep into each one of them and figure out which one would be the best fit for you. So buckle up and get ready for an amazing ride. 1. Introduction. To kick things off, let's start with the basics. First things first, what is affiliate marketing? Simply put, it is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards its affiliates for each customer brought to the business through their efforts. It's a win-win situation for both parties involved. But did you know that there are different affiliate marketing models? Let's explore them. 2. Pay-per-click, PPC. Pay-per-click, also known as cost per click, is an affiliate marketing model in which affiliates are paid when a customer clicks on a link that brings them to the advertiser's website. It's commonly used in online advertising, and the payout can vary from a few cents to a few dollars per click. 3. Pay-per-lead, PPL. Pay-per-lead, also known as cost per lead, is an affiliate marketing model in which affiliates are paid when a customer signs up or provides their contact information on the advertiser's website. The payout is typically higher than pay-per-click, as it requires more effort from the customer. 4. Pay-per-sale, PPS. Pay-per-sale, also known as cost per sale, is an affiliate marketing model in which affiliates are paid when a customer makes a purchase on the advertiser's website through their unique link. The payout is usually a percentage of the sale and can range from 1% to 50% or more. 5. Pay-per-call, PPC. Pay-per-call, also known as cost per call, is an affiliate marketing model in which affiliates are paid when a customer calls a specific phone number through their unique link. It's commonly used in industries such as insurance, legal services, and healthcare. Well, that's it, folks. We hope that this video gave you a better understanding of the different affiliate marketing models out there. So, which one do you think is the best fit for you? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos.